October 28, 2017 by Kurt Siggers. Shares of China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited HKG 2601 last traded at 38.45, representing a move of 2.12%, or 0.8 per share, on volume of 15.93 M shares. After opening the trading day at 37.5, shares of China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited traded in a close range. China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited currently has a total float of 2.78 billion shares and on average sees 14.31 M shares exchange hands each day. The stock now has a 52-week low of 26.35 and high of 39.1. XI, a powerful Asian economy indicator. The Asian economy is rampantly growing, and it is countries such as Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, and China that are leading the whole Asian equity market. Singapore and Hong Kong, for example, have recently been named by CG Watch as the top 2 countries in Asia with the best corporate governance in 2016. These countries are home to 2 of the most influential stock exchanges in the world, the Singapore Exchange SGX and the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong SEHK. Both are subjects of China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited interest. With a total market capitalization of $24.68 trillion and a listing of nearly 2,000 companies as of 2015, the SEHK is Asia's 3rd biggest stock exchange and the world's 6th biggest stock exchange. It was established in 1891 with its benchmark index, the Hang Seng Index sheet, being first published in 1969. Since that time, all companies, like China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited, want to see their names in SEHK lists. Regular trading on the SEHK starts at 9:30 a.m. and lasts until 4:00 p.m. Meanwhile, pre-market trading lasts for 30 minutes starting at 9:00 a.m. The SHI measures the top 50 companies on the SEHK, representing more than half of its total market capitalization. Its foundation is the brainchild of Ho Sin Sang, Hang Seng Bank HSB Chairman Li Kuowei, HSB Director, and Stanley Quan, HSB Head of Research. Primarily, they had founded the SHI to serve as the Dow Jones Industrial Average SHI of Hong Kong. The components of the SHI are classified into 4 sectors since January 1985. These sectors include utilities, materials, financials, and energy, the biggest sector. For a company to be eligible as a component of the SHI, it must belong to both the top 90% of the total market capitalization of common shares and total turnover on the SEHK, respectively. It must also be listed on the SEHK at least 24 months prior to the review date. Exceptions apply to companies that exhibit compelling market capitalization and liquidity. The same goes for China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited company. In such cases, companies can already be eligible as components even if they have just been listed on the SEHK for 3 months prior to the review date, which happens quarterly. SHI performance. The SHI had posted its all-time low of 58.61 in August 1967. In December 1993, it had first attained the 10,000 mark. In December 2006, it had first attained the 20,000 mark. Before the global financial crisis of 2008 broke out, the SHI had first attained the 30,000 mark in October 2007. As a result, the SHI had posted its all-time high of 31,638.22 during the same month. The massive gains during that time are highly attributed to investors flocking safe haven equity markets such as that of Hong Kong in anticipation of the global financial crisis of 2008. A year after attaining its all-time high, the SHI had lost more than 67%, falling back to the 10,000 mark in October 2008. In July 2009, the SHI had slowly recouped, attaining the 20,000 mark once again. It was highly appreciated by China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited and its investors. With a rich history backing the success and potentials of the SEHK, it is a guarantee that investors will gain interesting returns from their investments in Hong Kong's equity market. More notable recent China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited HKG 2601 news were published by FoxBusiness.com, which released China Pacific Insurance 9-month profit rises 24% on year on October 27, 2017. Also MarketWatch.com with their article 37.55 published on December 23, 2009. Reuters.com published Chalco agrees $1.5 billion debt financing plan with China Pacific Insurance on September 13, 2017. More interesting news about China Pacific Insurance Group Co., Limited HKG 2601 were released by Moody's.com, and their article Moody's affirms CPPIC's A1 rating published on May 7, 2015, as well as Bloomberg.com's news article titled China H shares rise to 23-month highs, financial stocks advance, with publication date August 1, 2017. China Pacific Insurance Co., Limited is a China firm mainly engaged in the insurance business. The company has market cap of $409.82 billion. The firm operates its businesses through life insurance business, including individual life insurances, group life insurances, and short-term casualty and health insurances, among others, property insurance business, including motor vehicle insurances and non-motor vehicle insurances, as well as asset management business, including bond investment, equity investment, and investment real estate, among others. It has a 23.84 P/E ratio. Through its subsidiaries, the company is also engaged in the pension business. Receive news ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our daily email newsletter.